Hi, my name is Matt, and today I'm going to explain i360 in a way that we can all understand. To begin with, we need to take a look at where it all starts, which is the vehicle. As you may know, Armada makes a hardware product called the Vector, which has sold around the world. The Vector is a tracking unit which is normally installed in a vehicle, truck, or trailer. It uses satellites to calculate the position and sends that and other information back to the server, communicating in the same way your cell phone does. The Vector is one of the world's most powerful telematics devices, which even Oracle has endorsed. The Vector runs a special device version of Windows, which enables us to run our own custom-made device framework on it. This device framework is called the IDF, and it works well with i360 as both platforms utilize Microsoft's .NET technology. The IDF is made in a modular way to support other hardware devices being attached and analysis on different types of data that we receive from different areas of the vehicle, including, for example, engine management. IDF is designed to talk to another piece of software on a server called a gateway. Armada's Atom gateway is responsible for processing messages both inbound and outbound. But at Armada, our vision was to openly support tracking units from other providers around the world, and because of this, we needed to improve the design. To achieve this, we introduced a new group of software called communicators. Each device communicates to i360 using a custom language called a protocol, and there is one communicator per protocol. A communicator translates information between Armada's Atom gateway and whatever device we want to talk to. Today we support 7 devices, including 5 tracking units, one of which is the Vector, and 2 smartphones, the iPhone and Android. Yes, even they are capable of talking to the Atom gateway. Another thing that is special about the Atom gateway is that it is our first application service. These components are special because they do a lot of thinking about what to do when data comes in and out. The Atom Gateway is partnered with the i360 application service, and they form the foundation for the multiple mobility products that run on top. For example, the i360 website, i360 Move, i360 Connect, and the i360 APIs. With reduced effort, we are able to launch a trailer tracking website which leverages the same foundation. In fact, Armada has plans for many extension applications in the future, which will really take advantage of i360's architecture. To reduce load, we separated a lot of the supporting pieces out of the application services and into business services. These services would focus specifically on dealing with a certain item, such as a vehicle, leaving the application services to worry about how to piece everything together. While there is no difference from a user perspective, it provides i360 with a foundation for scalability. As volume increases, we have the luxury of spreading software over multiple servers, approximately 1,000 of them. We now have business services for job dispatch, engine diagnostics, vehicle management, navigation, tracking, GIS, and CRM, with future plans to extend to include accounting, inventory, and billing. In order to support all applications, we formed a set of software called our infrastructure services. Like water and power, our infrastructure services provide core support to all of our applications. We introduced security management so we could control our customers' user accounts and exactly which parts of the system a user could access. We made the software support multiple cultures, and today we handle multiple languages, English, German, and Russian, multiple time zones, and multiple metric systems. We introduced really smart configuration, which allows us to control settings from a company level right the way down to a user level, and everything in between. We send text messages and emails to users or groups of users so they can be informed of what is going on with their vehicles. Our reporting service supports a large number of reports, and we even store the history so a user can view them later quickly without having to re-render them. At this stage of development, we had achieved what we set out to achieve, which was to produce a scalable telematics platform. But we weren't happy to stop here. We wanted to produce the best in the world. We introduced some APIs, or application programming interfaces, so that external developers could be encouraged to develop their own software against our open mobility platform. Next, we added a concept called attributing, so that users could assign their own custom data to a vehicle or another item in the system. Attributing is a great feature, but to really capitalize on it and to unleash the power of the system, we needed to have a mechanism capable of querying these values in real time. We also needed a way to allow users to decide what events they cared to monitor, what rules they wanted to apply to an event, and what actions took place because of it. With these challenges in mind, we built the Action Engine. The Action Engine runs on top of the Atom Gateway like a supercharger, and it combines user-configured attributes and user configuration to provide fully customizable business intelligence. To top things off, we added metrics, so an attribute can be logged and graphed over time. This is useful when monitoring something like temperature within an ice cream delivery van. Thanks for joining me today for an overview of i360. We've only just scratched the surface and look forward to exploring more with you next time.